How's this all look? Pretty good. Oakland Tower, Cherokee 8312 Hotel, holding short, runway 33, ready for departure.
Cherokee 8312 Hotel, Oakland Tower, right cross, 1 departure on course, wind 2507, runway 33, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 33, and right turn on course from 12 Hotel. All this stuff on, yeah. Good. About a 250. Airspeed's alive, gauges are green. Probably going to be bumpy as we make our way up through the wind shear layer.
Sirius 5 Bravo Sierra, after the option on 28 right, it'll be a left turn to the midspan of the San Mateo Bridge, VFR outside Bravo, and same squawk code.
Alright, after this will be a left turn to San Mateo Bridge, and squawk VFR, same code as VFR. Tower Jet Edge 3 is about 7.5 out, runway 28 right.
Jet Edge 3, Oakland Tower, you're following a Sierra short final, wind 2607, runway 28 right, put them.
Land 28 right, Jet Edge 3.
Looking pretty good.
Grumman 28589, open ground 33 or 28 right.
That's cool.
Yep.
Grumman 28589er, runway 33 or runway 28. Grumman 589, taxi Delta Juliet to runway 33. How did you want to get to Monterey? Via the East Bay, via the middle of the bay, via Golden Gate Bridge tour? Grumman 589, roger, VFR outer below 1,400, squawk 0345.
Here comes the wind shear.
Sierra 28 Tango Alpha, hold short, runway 28 right, ready for takeoff.
How'd you know? Just like
328 Tango Alpha, Oakland Tower, roger, hold short as 28 right.
Because I'm a genius.
Sierra 28 Tango Alpha, hold short.
Very informative
right.
answer, thank you.
Sirius 5 Bravo Sierra, their helicopter 500 feet below you off the right side, they have you in sight.
Traffic side 3 Bravo Sierra, thank you.
Sirius 5 Bravo Sierra, roger, resume your own navigation to the midspan of the San Mateo Bridge, remain clear Bravo airspace.
Remain clear Bravo, VP mid 345 Bravo Sierra.
No, but really, how'd you know about the wind shear?
I called up before we left and got a weather briefing.
And you knew what altitude it was coming at? Makes sense.
Sirius 5 Bravo Sierra, Ada Zulu at San Carlos, advise it for when you have that altimeter 29908.
2998, we'll call you back with the ATIS 345 Bravo Sierra.
Cherokee 12 Hotel, NorCal departure now 125.35, Cadet.
125.35, thanks, Cadet. 12 Hotel.
Jet Edge 3, right turn, taxi to parking, where will that be?
Going to signature.
Roger, after right turn there on Juliet, join.
NorCal departure here, Cherokee 8312 Hotel, 2500.
Cherokee 8312 Hotel, NorCal approach, open altimeter 29er, altitude your discretion below Bravo.
Altitude our discretion outside of Bravo, 12 Hotel. Bravo here is 4,000 feet. We're going to climb.
Nice.
Columbia traffic, Cherokee 12 Hotel is going to enter a left downwind on the 45 runway 35, Columbia.
Is there a ground control you're talking to, or are you just projecting that to anyone who's maybe listening?
The latter. Columbia traffic, 12 Hotel is on downwind, left downwind, runway 35, Columbia. A little bit too close.
Take your time, this view is great.
Columbia traffic, 12 Hotel turning base, runway 35, Columbia. Columbia traffic, Cherokee 8312 Hotel, turning final runway 35, Columbia. Columbia traffic, check 8312 Hotel is clear of 35, Columbia. Yeah. Airplanes.